Welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to solve another Leetcode medium problem, and this is part of our DSA revision series. So without wasting further time, let's quickly jump into the problem statement. So given an integer array nums of length n and an integer target, find three integer at distinct indexes in nums such that the sum is closest to the target. Return the sum of three integers. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution. Okay, so this problem is quite similar to three sum problem actually. Just that in this problem we have to find the closest difference with target, and in actual problem we have given the target. So that's it. So, like the previous problem, we can utilize similar approach. So, let's suppose we have this array. So, first thing we need to do is to sort this, because kind of after sorting we can apply two point approach. Kind of fixed this element, initial one, and this is fixed, and after that for remaining element we can start from one immediate index next, and another pointer from last, and then we can start iterating. For example, if my target um, let's suppose if target is 5. Okay, then what we can do is, if sum of these three, -1, 2 and -4, this will become -5. -5 and 2 will give us -3. Then -3, I know that -3 is quite less than 5, then I should increase this pointer. Okay, um, I can increase the j, because this value will be in higher order, because we have sorted. That's why. So let's quickly jump into the code part. So first thing I need is n, which is nums dot length. Second thing is answer, which is default by 0, and next thing is diff. So I will take diff as max value, integer dot max value, because I'm assuming um, we need to find the closest number. That's why I am taking this as maximum. Okay, now we can start a for loop, and equals I equals to 0, I is less than n minus 2, I plus plus. Minus 2 is because we have fixed this first element, so we don't need to run it for last two, because interpolate we need two additional elements. So now I'll define j will be I plus 1, and k will be n minus 1 from last. So now we have initialized both the pointers. So while j is less than k, I'll run this loop, and in this loop I have sum. So sum will be nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of k. Okay, so this is the sum, and I'll have a temp diff. Temp diff will be math.abs. We can take diff from target minus sum. So now we have the temp diff as well. So I'll compare if this temp diff is less than our actual diff, which will be, because we have initialized to max value. In this case we can simply set diff to temp diff and answer to our sum. Okay, so this is done, and in other case I'll check if this sum is greater than target. Sum is already breaching the target, then I should reduce the k, because k side has higher elements, and in other case I'll decrease I'll increase the j. to increase the sum. Okay, so that was it, and we can return the answer. So in target 1 I'm getting -1, but it should be um what is the issue? This looks correct. J is less than k, j equals to I plus 1, some. Okay, diff is greater than. Diff is greater than temp diff. Yeah, answer. If sum is greater than target, then k minus minus, else j plus plus. What I'm missing now? Okay, let's quickly target one. I'll quickly try run my approach. Okay, so after sorting, this will become -4. Have we sorted? No, array is not sorted. Array is dot sort nums. Yeah, so let's try to submit it. Yeah, so this was it. So in this video we have solved this three sum closest problem, and I'll see you in the next one.